So you might be wondering how to exactly present on another screen here in Google Slides. Now, the thing with Google Slides here, there is a way for you to present in another screen. So to be speaking, you can actually present another screen using the cast option here. So to be speaking, in order for you to basically present another screen, you need to basically have your TV or whatever screen connected to the same network, and you can just use cast in that device. So to be speaking, what you need to do is you want to go to your presentation and you just need to go ahead and click on the drop down button next to slideshow here. And in this case, you should be able to use the present using cast option here. So in some cases, it might say something different. So it might say present using another screen. It might be different for you, but yeah. So also, you have presentation display options here. For example, if you want to present from beginning presenter view as well. And also, if you want to present your current screen here, so in this case, also if you want to basically present on another screen that is already connected to your device, for example, you connected another screen via HDMI, you could also use that. So just going to click on allow here and click on allow now. From here, you can go and select another screen that you want to use for presentation. So you can go and choose the current one or the full screen one. In here, as you can see, I have different, in this case, windows. So you can go and click on start slideshow here once you've seen them. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.